So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add slow zoom to CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is go to create new once you're on the CapCut homepage. Click on, let's say 16 by 9. After that, let's open up this video editor. It's going to open up automatically for you, and I've added this template just to show you how slow zoom would work. So if you open up this video, you can see this is some video on here. It's on my timeline, as it's called. Now from here, you will see on the left part of the page, underneath will be effect, and you will need to click this effect so it will look like this star or a wand. Click on this. On here you can see blur, you can see body effect, you can see some video effects as well. And to make it just easier to find, I'm gonna type out slow zoom and click on enter. On here you can see slow zoom or slow zoom. The new version, you can see some other options as well. So let's choose slow zoom. You can see here I can put it at a certain frame of the video, but let's use it on the entire video, or just put it on here and let's see the differences right now. So on here you can see it's zooming in, then it's staying zoomed. You can even toggle this effect by clicking some options with the effect as well. So on here, click on basic and you can see range, speed, and you can even reduce speed. So it's just about here, and let's play it back and it's gonna be even slower. So on here you can see it slowed down, so it's a bit slower zoomed than usual. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.